is Muhammad Nariman Makari, and I would like to start my demonstration of my project, which is IoT door lock using RFID. Okay, first of all, to trigger the RFID, which is RDM6300, it must have a tag for the cat and a card for the owner. Okay, the range to trigger the RDM must between 0 to 5. Okay, I would like to start. Bismillah. Okay, when the tag in front the RDM, it will trigger and the gate will be open, and in a few seconds the gate will be stopped and the gate will be rotate to the door close.